Want to create Roblox games faster with AI? Imagine generating Lua scripts, fixing errors, building game mechanics, and creating entire systems inside Roblox Studio using Claude AI. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to connect Claude AI to Roblox Studio step by step. Let's get started. Claude AI doesn't connect directly to Roblox Studio out of the box. Instead, you'll use Claude alongside Roblox Studio through an AI coding workflow using Claude Desktop or the Claude web app. This setup works great for beginners, indie developers, and game studios. First, install Roblox Studio and create a free Claude account. Open Roblox Studio and start a new project or load an existing game. Then, open Claude in your browser or Claude Desktop. Keep both applications side by side for the best experience. Inside Claude, describe exactly what you want to build. For example, create a Roblox Lua script for a coin collection system that saves player progress. Or, build a sprint mechanic with stamina for Roblox Studio. The more details you provide, the better the code Claude generates. Ask Claude to explain the code line by line if you're new to scripting. Copy the generated Lua code from Claude. Go back to Roblox Studio. Open the Explorer and Properties panels. Insert a new script or local script in the correct location. Paste the code and click Play to test your game. If you get errors, copy the error message back into Claude and ask for fixes. Use Claude for more than just coding. You can ask it to design game systems, balance in-game economies, create quests and storylines, generate NPC dialogue, optimize performance, debug complex scripts. Think of Claude as your personal Roblox development assistant. That's it. You now know how to use Claude AI with Roblox Studio to build games faster and smarter. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below with the Roblox game you're creating. See you in the next video.